Standard 12th Business Mathematics Exercise 7.1 13th question. Out of 750 families with 4 children each, how many families would be expected to have your first subdivision at least one boy, second subdivision at most 2 girls, third subdivision and the children of both sexes? Assume equal probabilities for boys and girls. So they are given you 750 families, and that 4 children of each family will have it. Then how many families would be expected to have at least one boy child? Okay, so since it is given 750 families, first we'll just find for one family and then we'll convert it to 750 families. Okay, so considering the probability for one family, so number of children given is children n is equal to 4 because they have given 4 children. Okay, so in that you will have boy and girl, or boys and girls will be there. So boys is one category and girls is one category, so we'll just go for P. So P is equal to either boy you can take or girls you can take, so you'll get 1 divided by 2. So that is out of 2 you will have 1. If you consider boy also you will get 1 by 2. Otherwise if you consider girl also you will get 1 by 2. So P is equal to 1 by 2. Now your Q is equal to 1 minus P. You can use this formula. So that is equal to 1 minus P is 1 by 2. So 1 minus 1 by 2 you will get again 1 by 2. Now your binomial distribution is that is equal to P of capital X is equal to small x, which is equal to NCX P power x Q power n minus x. So you'll have to use this formula. Okay, so your first condition is at least one boy, so that is probability of getting at least one boy. So minimum one boy you will have to get it. Okay, so you can write like this: probability of x is greater than or equal to 1. Okay, but up to 4 you will have to go. So from here means 1 you will have to do, 2 you will have to do, 3, 4. So 4 subdivision you will have to do. For that what I am going to do is, so which is equal to 1 minus P of x is less than 1, you can convert it. So your formula is P of x is greater than or equal to small x means you can convert that into 1 minus P of x is less than small x. So you can use this formula and you can do your conversion here. Okay, so which is equal to 1 minus P of x is less than 1 means only one condition you get P of x is equal to 0. So which is equal to 1 minus, now substitute in your binomial distribution formula. Instead of x 0, all the other values we have got it on top. Okay, so NCX, so n is your 4. So 4C x is 0. Okay, so 4C 0. So P power x, P is 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 power x is here 0. And again Q power n minus x. Q is 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 power n minus x. N is 4 minus x is 0. Is equal to 1 minus 4C0. That is NC0 you will get 1. So 4C0 also will become 1. Okay. Again 1 by 2 the whole power 0. Anything to the power 0 will become 1 more 1. And here 1 by 2 the whole power 4. 4 minus 4 will become 4. So 1 by 2 power 4 you will get 2 power 4 will become 16. So which is equal to 1 minus this, everything is 1 only. Okay, so your answer will be 1 by 16. So which is equal to, now going for your cross multiplication, otherwise your LCM, 16 minus 1 by 16 you will get. So that is 15 by 16. This is for one family only we have found out. So 750 families you will have to find it. Okay, so therefore probability of having at least one boy in 750 families is equal to this 15 by 16 into 750. So your answer will be 703.125. So you can convert to your whole number as 703. So this is your first subdivision answer. Second subdivision, at most 2 girls. Okay, so probability of having at most 2 girls. The at most is maximum 2 girls you can have it, that is P of x is less than or equal to 2. Up to 2 girls you can have it. Okay, so you can split up like this. P of x is equal to 0, that is no girls at all. Then P of x is equal to 1, that is you will have 1 girl. Then P of x is equal to 2, so you will have 2 girls. Okay, so which is equal to, now each one you will have to go to a binomial distribution and substitute it over there. Okay, so I just written the values here. So here n is equal to 4, so NCX is 4C0 you will get. So 4C0, P power x, P is 1 by 2 over there, so 1 by 2 power x is here 0. Again Q power n minus x, so Q is 1 by 2, n is 4, so 4 minus this 0. Plus going to a second term, x is 1 now. Okay, so 4c1, here itself we can write it 4c1, 1 by 2 the whole power 1, again 1 by 2 the whole power 4 minus 1. This 4 minus 1 also you can take it and write it. Now plus going to a third term, so in the place of 1 you will have to write 2. Okay, so 4c2, 1 by 2 the whole power 2, again 1 by 2 the whole power 4 minus 2. So now going for a solving, 4c0 is nc0 is 1, so 4c0 will become 1. 1 by 2 the whole power 0, anything to the power 0, again it will become 1. And here it is 1 by 2 power 4 minus 0, you will get 4. Plus 4c1, so nc1 is equal to n, so 4c1 will become 4, okay, into this is 1 by 2 power 1, so I'll just leave as 1 by 2, and here it is 1 by 2 power 4 minus 1, it will become 3. Plus 4c2, go for a conversion, so 4 into 3, because 2 numbers here, divided by 2 into 1, into 1 by 2 square is there, so 1 by 2 square, again 1 by 2 the whole power 4 minus 2 will become 2. So next step of solving is, you will have 1 by 2 power 4 plus here 4, 1 by 2 power 1 is there, again 1 by 2 power 3 is there, so you can add your powers, so you get it as 1 by 2 power 4. Plus this you can cancel, 2 and 4 will go twice, 2 3s are 6 will be there. Again you can add your powers, because 1 by 2 is your base, so it is same. So powers 2 plus 2, when you are adding it will become 4. So everywhere you can see 1 by 2 power 4 is common, so I will just remove that 1 by 2 power 4 out. So I will get it as here 1, because 1 by 2 power 4 is out, okay, so 1 will be there. Plus here this 1 by 2 power 4 is out, so only 4 will be there. Plus again 1 by 2 power 4 is out, you will have 6 over there. So which is equal to 1 by 2 power 4, you will get it as 16 into adding 6 plus 4, 10, 10 plus 1 is 11. So which is equal to 11 by 16. This is again for one family, so we will have to convert it to 750 families. Therefore probability of having at most 2 girls in 750 families is equal to this 11 by 16 into 750. You can use your calcium calculator. You will get your answer 515.63 converted to a whole number as 516 because this is more than 5. So you can add one number to the before number, so 516. So this is the answer for your second subdivision. To your third subdivision, children of both sexes. What is probability of having children of both sexes? So both boys and girls will be there in that family. Okay. So first we'll just find the options over there. That is boys and girls. Totally you have 4 children in a family. Okay. So if one boy is there means 3 girls will be there. Otherwise if 2 boys are there means 2 girls will be there. Otherwise 3 girls are means 1 boy will be there. So we can split up like this. Then with boys you can proceed it, otherwise with girls because the options are same. 1 means 3, 2 means 2, 3 means 1. Again here if you go 1 means 3, 2 means 2, 3 means 1. Okay. So either way you can do it. So I'll just proceed with boys itself. So which is equal to P of x is equal to 1. That is 1 boy means 3 girls will be there. Plus P of x is equal to 2. 2 boys means 2 girls will be there. So plus P of x is equal to 3, that is 3 boys means 1 girl will be there. Okay, so now go for your binomial distribution and substitute it over there. Okay, so first is P of x is equal to 1, so it is equal to NCX. N is 4, so 4C1, P is 1 by 2 power 1, again Q is 1 by 2 power 4 minus 1, that is n minus x. Okay, plus P of x is equal to 2. Now wherever you put it 1 here, just put 2. Okay, so you'll get your second part. That is 4C2, 1 by 2 power 2, again 1 by 2 power 4 minus 2. Now going to your third part, P of x is equal to 3. So wherever you have given 2, just give 3. Okay, so you'll get it as 4C3, 1 by 2 power 3 into 1 by 2 power 4 minus 3. Otherwise for each term you have to go to your formula and substitute it. Either way you can do it. Okay, so I'm going for your solving. 4C1 is NC1 is N itself. So 4C1 will get 4. Again 1 by 2 power 1 is there. Here 1 by 2 power 4 minus 1 will get 3. Plus 4C2, just go for your conversion. So 4 into 3 divided by 2 into 1. 1 by 2 square will be there. Again this is 1 by 2 power 4 minus 2, you'll get 2. Next is 4C3, again go for your conversion. So 4 into 3 numbers. Okay, so 4 into 3 into 2 divided by starting with 3. So 3 into 2 into 1 into this 1 by 2 cube is there here. Again 1 by 2 power 4 minus 3, you will get 1. So which is equal to 4 into, now 1 by 2 power 1, again 1 by 2 power 3 is there. Since the base is same, you can add your power. So 1 by 2 power 4 you will get. Plus 2 and 4 you can cancel, you will get 2. So 2 3s are 6. Again here base is same. So 1 by 2 power 2 plus 2 you can write 4. Plus go for your cancellation, 3 and 3 will go, 2 and 2 will go, you will have 4. Into this is 1 by 2, again your base is same, 3 and 1 you can add it, you will get your power 4. Now you can see everywhere 1 by 2 power 4 is common, so I just remove it outside. So 1 by 2 power 4, now 4 will be here in your first term, second term 1 6 will be there, again here 1 4 will be there. So which is equal to 1 by 2 power 4 is 16 into 10 plus 4 is 14. So which is equal to 7 by 8. You can cancel by 2 tables, 7 times and here 8 times. So 7 by 8. This is for one family. Okay. So we'll have to find it for again 750 families. So probability of having children of both sexes is equal to 7 by 8 into 750. So multiply, you get your answer 656.3 converted to a whole number, so that will become 656. So this is the answer for your third subdivision. So this is the final answer for your 13th question.